In this video, you are going to see how to make the text box transparent in Microsoft Word document. Here I have a text box and I have written some text over here, but this is not transparent, so this is not looking beautiful. So in this video, we are going to make it transparent. Suppose I want to write over this image. So go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let me write here the nature. But the text box is not transparent. Click on over here, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill and make it No Fill. Let us select the text, go to Home and make it white fill color. Now if you want to remove the text box outline, select the text box, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline and make it No Outline. Now you can increase or decrease the font size, make it center, and you can put it anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.